If you're trying to lose fat and gain muscle, these protein pancakes are the perfect meal. Packing 292 calories, 26 grams of protein, 41 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fat. Best of all, it is easy to make and only take a few minutes to cook. Did I mention that they are also super affordable at about $1.20 per serving? For the ingredients you will need: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of vanilla whey protein, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, pinch of salt, 1½ cups of milk, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now mix all the ingredients together. Grease a hot pan and pour in batter. Cook 2 minutes, flip and cook for 2 more minutes. Now stack and serve. Use sugar-free maple syrup to avoid extra calories. Add a little butter and pour on your syrup. Don't forget to like and follow for more Fit and Fuel 365 recipes.